Good morning, students. I am Rajesh Sharma from SVM Mandwala. Today we are going to start a new lesson. The name of this lesson is Two Stories About Flying. In this lesson, there are two stories. His first flight, written by Liam O'Flaherty, and second is Black Aeroplane by Frederick Forsyth. And these two stories tell us about courage and tireless effort. In the first story, a seagull conquers his inactive behavior and fear. It makes his first flight possible and he learns to fly. So, in this story, the writer records how a seagull gains courage and learns to fly. The bird had lost the courage to fly and given up the hope. Ultimately, encouraged by his mother and the attempt he made, he started flying. So, now let's move to the story. His first flight. The young seagull was alone on his ledge. His two brothers and his sister had already flown away the day before. He had been afraid to fly with them. This story is about a seagull. Seagull is the bird that lives in the seashore. Uh, the young seagull means the baby seagull was alone on his ledge. Ledge, you can see here the meaning of ledge. It is the meaning of ledge, a narrow horizontal shelf projecting from a wall. Here a cliff. You can see it here in the picture. It is the ledge. It is the mountain. You can see here. It is the mountain wall, and it is projecting a space. You can see it. You can understand it by a slab on the peak of mountain. Okay, so this is the ledge. Now, so young seagull was alone on the ledge. His two brothers and his sister had already flown away the day before. He had two brothers and a sister, and they had already flown away. He had been afraid to fly with them, and he was a timid timid seagull, and he had afraid to fly with them. But somehow, when he had taken a little run forward to the brink of the ledge and attempted to flap his wings, he became afraid. And when he tried to fly, he wanted to fly with his brothers and sisters. And when he tried it, he take a little run to the brink. Brink means a edge, a corner at the end of the ledge. He take a little run to the brink and attempted to flap his wings and to move his wings, but he afraid. The great expanse of sea stretched down beneath, and it was such a long way down, miles down. And there was a huge sea, a great sea stretched beneath mm, that mountain. And it was such a long way down, miles down. Means the height was so high, too much height. The mountain was so high, and he, by watching the stretch of sea and by watching the height, he was afraid. He felt certain that his wings would never support him, so he bent his head. Wings would. So he bent his. Where is it? So he bent his head and ran away back to the little hole under the ledge, where he slept at night. And when he thought that he felt certain that his wings would never support. He thought that what happened if his wings would not support him, so he will fell down into the sea. So he returned back and went to his hole, went to his room, which was under the ledge, where he slept at night. Even when each of his brothers and his sister, whose wings were far shorter than his own, ran to the brink, flapped their wings, and flew away. And he failed to muster up courage to take that plunge which appeared to him so desperate. And while his brothers and sisters were younger than him, and their wings were shorter than him, they ran to the brink, to the edge, and they flapped their wings, they moved their wings, and they flew away. But he failed to muster up courage, to build up courage, to take that plunge. Plunge means jump. He was unable to jump, which appeared him so desperate. And when he failed to muster up courage, to build up courage, so he became desperate. And desperate means disappoint. He disappointed. He was very disappointed. His father and mother had come around him, calling him shrilly, upbraiding him, threatening to let him starve on his ledge unless he flew away. But for the life of him, he could not move. And his parents, his father and mother had come around calling him, calling to him shrilly. Shrilly means very sharply, upbraiding him. Upbraiding means scolding him, threatening him. They warns him to let him starve on his ledge unless he flew away. They they told him that if you don't fly, if you don't try to fly, and if you don't fly, they will not give him any food. So they wanted that their baby would fly, so they do all these things. But for the life of him, he could not move. But for the sake of life, he could not move. He thought that life is more important than flying. And that was 24 hours ago. Since then, nobody had come near him. The day before, all day long, he had watched his parents flying about his brothers and sister, perfecting them in the art of flight, teaching them how to skim the waves and how to dive for fish. That was 24 hours ago. Since then, nobody had come near him. Since last 24 hours, nobody had come near him. It means he was hungry for 24 hours. The day before, all day long, and day before, all day long, he had watched his parents only. His parents were flying about his brothers and sister, perfecting them the art of flight. They were teaching them how to skim. Skim means to move lightly, just above the sea. So they were teaching his brothers and sister, and how to dive for fish. And they were teaching them how to dive for fish and how to catch the fish for their food. He had in fact seen his older brother catch his first herring and devour it, and he had seen that his older brother caught his first herring. Herring is a soft finned sea. You can see here a soft finned fish, the name of fish. So his brother caught fish and devoured it. Devour means eat it, enjoyed it, and standing on a rock while his parents circled around raising a proud crackle. Crackle means it is the sound of birds. So they were praising his elder brother because he caught his first prey. He caught his first fish. So they were feeling proud, and they were very happy, and they were producing crackle sound. And all the morning the whole family had walked about on the big plateau midway down the opposite cliff, taunting him with his cowardice. And all the morning, whole family had walked about on a big plateau, and there was a big plateau. And all the morning, the whole family, his parents and brothers and sister, they were shifted to the plateau, the midway down the opposite cliff on a cliff, and they were taunting him with his cowardice, because he was very coward, he was very timid, and they were taunting means making fun of him. They were teasing him that he was very timid. Next, the sun was now ascending the sky, blazing on his ledge that faced the south. He felt the heat because he had not eaten since the previous nightfall. The sun was now ascending on the sky, and blazing on the ledge, and that faced the south. His face was south, towards south. He felt the heat, mm, because he had not eaten since the previous nightfall. He was alone there, and his parents were not giving food to him, because he was not ready to fly, and they wanted that their baby would fly. He stepped slowly out to the brink of the ledge, and standing on one leg with the other leg hidden under his wing, he closed one eye, then the other. He stepped slowly, so then he came out when he was very hungry. So he stepped slowly out to the brink and of the ledge, and he was standing there, one leg. He was standing on one leg, and he hid one leg under his wings. He closed one eye and then other. He closed both of the eye, and pretended to be falling asleep. And he was pretended that he was showing that he was falling asleep, and he was attracting his parents' attention towards him, that they would come there and they would give him food. So today it is the end of today's video, and now I will make a summary in Hindi. Okay. तो आज ये लेसन जो है, 2 स्टोरीज अबाउट फ्लाइंग, इसमें हिज फर्स्ट फ्लाइट जो पहला चैप्टर है, जो यंग सीगल है वो अकेला है लेज पर, जो स्लैब है पहाड़ के ऊपर, उसकी क्लिफ के ऊपर, वहाँ पर अकेला बैठा है। उसके 2 भाई और उसकी बहन जो है वो ऑलरेडी उड़ चुके हैं एक दिन पहले ही, लेकिन वो डरता है उड़ने से, और वो किसी तरह कोशिश भी करता है, दौड़कर जाता है किनारे तक, ब्रिंक तक, लेकिन फिर वो डर जाता है। वो सोचता है कि अगर उसके पंखों ने उसको सपोर्ट नहीं किया तो क्या होगा, क्योंकि नीचे एक बहुत बड़ा समुद्र है, जो कि और बहुत ऊंचाई है जहाँ पर वो बैठा है, और वहाँ से उसको डर लग रहा है, इसलिए वो नहीं उड़ पाता है, वो डर रहा है। और इस तरह से वो फिर वापस अपने रूम में अंदर चला जाता है, अपने होल में चला जाता है। और यहाँ तक कि उसके जो छोटे भाई बहन हैं, उनके पंख उससे थोड़ा सा छोटे हैं, लेकिन वो करेज रखते हैं, उनके अंदर सेल्फ़ कॉन्फिडेंस है, और वो उड़ जाते हैं। लेकिन वो फेल हो जाता है इस चीज़ में कि वो मास्टर अप नहीं कर पाता अपने करेज को, अपने बिल्डअप नहीं कर पाता अपने करेज को, हिम्मत को नहीं बना पाता, और वो जंप नहीं लगा पाता वहाँ से, इसलिए वो डेस्परेट हो जाता है, उड़ नहीं पा रहा है, बड़ा निराश हो जाता है। उसके फादर और मदर भी उसके पास आते हैं, उसको बड़ी तीखी आवाज़ में बोलते हैं, उसको डांटते भी हैं, उसको धमकी देते हैं, उसको वार्न करते हैं कि यदि वो नहीं उड़ा वहाँ से तो उसको हम खाना नहीं देंगे, वो भूखा रह जाएगा। लेकिन लाइफ बड़ी चीज़ है, लाइफ के लिए वो नहीं उड़ता। वो सोचता है कि लाइफ ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है उड़ने से, इसलिए उड़ नहीं पाता है, डरता है। सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस की कमी है उसके अंदर। और इस तरह से 24 घंटे बीत जाते हैं। 24 घंटे से वो अकेला है वहाँ पर, उसके पास कोई नहीं आया है, वो भूखा भी है। और एक दिन पहले से वो एक दिन पहले वो देख रहा है अपने पेरेंट्स को, जो कि उसके भाई और बहनों को सिखा रहे हैं, उसको उड़ना सिखा रहे हैं कि कैसे वेव्स पर स्किम किया जाता है, कैसे डाइव लगा करके फिश को पकड़ना है। ये सारी चीज़ें उनको सिखा रहे हैं। वो केवल बैठा बैठा देखता है। फिर वो ये भी देखता है कि उसके एक ओल्डर ब्रदर ने एक मछली पकड़ लिए है और उसको वो खा रहा है। और उसको देख कर के उसके जो पेरेंट्स हैं वो बड़े खुश हो रहे हैं, वो ज़ोर ज़ोर से आवाज़ें लगा रहे हैं, क्रैकलिंग कर रहे हैं। और क्योंकि उनको बड़ा प्राउड फील होता है कि जब भी कोई उनका बच्चा बेबी जो है अपने पैरों पर खड़ा होता है या अपने काम को अच्छे तरीके से करता है, तो उनको बड़ा गर्व फील होता है। इस तरह से उनको भी प्राउड फील हो रहा है, खुश हैं वो। और पूरी मॉर्निंग जो पूरी फैमिली है वो शिफ्ट हो गई है, एक प्लेट्यू में एक पठार है उधर, उस पे बैठ गई है। और वहाँ से वो टॉन्टिंग कर रहे हैं, वो मजाक बना रहे हैं उसका, कि उसकी कायरता का, कि वो नहीं उड़ पा रहा है। और इसे देख कर के वो बहुत ही डिसअपॉइंटेड है, निराश है। सूर्य भी अब ऊपर चढ़ने लगा है आसमान में, और गर्मी हो गई है। और गर्मी होने और उसको वो और ज़्यादा परेशान है, क्योंकि उसने प्रीवियस नाइट से कुछ खाया भी नहीं है, भूखा भी है। इसलिए वो क्या करे, वो अपने पेरेंट्स का ध्यान अपनी ओर अट्रैक्ट करना चाहता है, अपनी ओर खींचना चाहता है। इसलिए वो बिल्कुल एज ब्रिंक पर आ जाता है, किनारे पर आ जाता है, और वहाँ पर एक पैर पर खड़ा हो जाता है, दूसरी पैर को छिपा लेता है पंखों के बीच में। अपनी एक आंख बंद करता है, फिर दूसरी आंख बंद करता है। और इस तरह से ये दिखावा करता है, प्रिटेंड करता है, दिखावा करता है कि जैसे वो सो रहा है और किनारे पर सो रहा है। इसलिए उसके नोटिस करेगा कोई, उसके पेरेंट्स आएंगे उसके पास, तो इस तरह से वो उनका ध्यान खींचना चाहता है अपनी ओर। तो इस तरह से ये आज की वीडियो यहाँ पर कंप्लीट होती है, और बाकी फिर कल करेंगे। और इसके बाद मैं वर्ड मीनिंग क्वेश्चन आंसर आपको दूंगा, उनको आप करके दें। भाई अभी भी सब बच्चे काम करके नहीं दे रहे हैं, क्वेश्चन आंसर नहीं दे रहे हैं, केवल कुछ ही बच्चे जो रेगुलरली काम कर रहे हैं वही कर रहे हैं। और मैं जल्दी जल्दी इसलिए बोल रहा हूँ क्योंकि ये बड़ी वीडियो हो जाती है तो फिर जाती नहीं है, बड़ा मुश्किल होती है। इसलिए मुझे फटाफट करना पड़ता है, छोटी वीडियो बनानी पड़ती है। आप इस चीज़ को समझें कि कितनी मुश्किल से हम इनको वीडियो को बनाते हैं। और आप लोग सपोर्ट नहीं करोगे, आप लोग नहीं सीखोगे, तो फिर कोई फ़ायदा नहीं होगा हमारा मेहनत करने का। तो इसलिए आप लोग मेहनत करिए, सपोर्ट करिए। ओके।